Yes guys, it's Jando. I'm going to show you how to make a really basic Belgian jump up sound, the kind of splat bass that you hear in a lot of tracks. This is what it sounds like. But yeah, let's get straight into the patch. I've got a brand new preset here that we're going to look at. Right, we're going to start off with oscillator A, go over to spectral and go down to scout. We're going to turn on bend minus and push this all the way up. We're going to drop the level all the way down and put LFO1, assign that to it, and then we're going to form our little shape here. It's just going to be like a little triangle, and set this to envelope. Then we're going to turn on the filter and we're going to do the ring mod. We're going to set the cutoff here at about 690, there we go. Then we're going to open up LFO2 here, keep this shape, but just push this up ever so slightly, and then set this to 1-2, and then set it to trigger as well. Once you've done that, assign LFO2 to the cutoff and drag it back about, say about 12. After that, we're going to assign the LFO2 to the wavetable position as well, and we're going to set that to 35, 36. There we go. And now we're going to head over to the effects tab. Once we're in the effects tab, we're going to put the compressor up top, and we're just going to push the gain slightly by about 12. I say slightly, that's quite a lot, but we're going to push it up to about 12. Next, we're going to do some EQ. EQ, we're simply just going to do a low pass. Let's just shape this a little bit. That looks about right. Next is hyperdimension. We're going to turn the mix all the way down on the left side, and on the right side we're going to push the mix up a very, very tiny amount, just to about we'll bring it down. I was going to say 10, let's do 7. And then turn on the distortion. Distortion is just going to be tube distortion, and we're going to put the drive up to 80%. And there we are, that's the patch, completely within Serum. And then we can also drag the octave down, and there's the exact sound we just had. You can get some really cool sounds out of this patch, some like similar style stuff, or just general Belgium jump up kind of stuff that's been floating around at the moment. But yeah, mess around with the patch, add your own post processing etc to it, and get creative. Nice one.